In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow to objects in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to add a bit of depth to your presentation or simply want to make certain elements stand out, adding a drop shadow can be a game changer for your slides. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll have the choice to either open an existing presentation or create a new one from scratch. Go ahead and add your photos, tables, or any other content you plan to use. It's important to have everything ready, as we'll be selecting the specific object we want to emphasize with a drop shadow. Once you have your slide set up, click on the picture, shape, or text box to which you wish to apply a shadow. Doing so brings up an essential feature in PowerPoint, the Contextual tab. This tab provides specific options and tools related to the element you've selected. In this case, you're going to look for either the Shape Format or Picture Format tab at the top of your screen. The one that appears will depend on whether you've selected a shape, a picture, or text. From there, find the button labeled Shape Effects or Picture Effects. Hovering your mouse over this button will reveal a drop-down menu full of options. Move your cursor over Shadow, and you'll be presented with a gallery of preset shadow styles. The great thing about this is you can hover over each style to instantly see a preview of how it will look on your object, making it easy to choose the perfect one. Once you've decided on a style, click on it to apply the shadow to your object. But let's say you want more control over how the shadow appears. That's when you would need to go to the shadow options at the bottom of the shadow gallery, which opens the format pane. This pane is your playground for customization, where you can adjust various settings like transparency, angle, distance, and blur. These options allow you to fine-tune the shadow until it matches your vision for the slide perfectly. And don't forget about color. You can change the color of the shadow by clicking the arrow next to the color option. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you're working with a themed color scheme or trying to match corporate branding. Finally, if you ever decide that a shadow doesn't quite fit, removing it is just as easy as adding it. Simply go back to the shadow options and select No Shadow. This will instantly remove any shadow effects from your selected object, leaving it in its original state. And there you have it. Adding a drop shadow in PowerPoint is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentation. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.